Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up ActiveCampaign for your small business in 2026. First, sign up and log in to your account. Once you're in, go to Settings and connect your email sending domain. This ensures your emails actually land in inboxes, not spam. Next, import your contacts. Click on Contacts, then Import. Upload a CS file or connect directly with tools like Shopify or WordPress. Map your fields correctly so you capture names, emails, and custom data. Now create a list. Go to Lists, click New List, and name it something like Newsletter or Customers. This keeps your audience organized. Then set up your first automation. Go to Automations, click New Automation, and choose a template like Welcome Series. Drag and drop emails, delays, and conditions to build your workflow. Finally, add a form to your website. Go to Forms, create a simple sign-up form, and embed the code on your site to start capturing leads automatically. And that's it. You now have ActiveCampaign ready to go for your small business. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.